Hey guys, we're down here in Mesquite for spring break. We were going to go up into the mountains to the radio tower and the mica mine. And as we were leaving, my Razor was having some issues, so we stopped, check it out and grab some drinks. And then it wouldn't start, so my battery was dead. I had a really bad vibration on the road. Then we went, got a new battery, threw it in there. Came to fix both problems. I guess it was probably the power steering being underpowered, making it front end shake or whatever it was doing. Now we're going to go out kind of towards Three Corners. We're going up the town wash right now. It's supposed to be a windy day, so I don't know how far we'll get. That's our plan for today. Well, hopefully we can find you some exciting obstacles or trails. Hey guys, we're here at Three Corners. It's a corner of Utah and Arizona and the side of Nevada, I guess. It's not really a corner. It's the redheaded stepchild of the Four Corners region. So, or I guess stepsister, not child. We're gonna get out of the wind and go eat because there's like 40 bikes here. Now they can hear us going down the big hill.
Oh, kind of big.
Okay, let's go. I got you. Right there's probably out of the wind the most. Hey, just had a nice little lunch. Trying to avoid rain on. So I think we're gonna cruise back town, make a look out of it. So I don't think I've ever been this way before, so we'll see how it looks. Look at them cute baby cows.
Look at it! Oh, the little brown one. Oh, look at that brown one back there.
Hey, got us some.
What is that thing?
Got some rain coming. Part of a big group where they had a guy slide off the trail a little bit ago. Now we're just trying to make it home before it gets any worse rain. Few drops on the window, nothing too bad yet. Probably about 5 miles from Mesquite. Hope, I don't know. My Onyx isn't working today because tried to switch over to an iPad, but it don't have data. I switched from my old Android tablet over to an iPad, but the location's not working for my GPS, so it's not tracking our trail route very well. and I haven't bothered pulling my phone out. Because we got someone that knows what we're doing, where we're going, so we're just following along. Enjoying the scenery. Hopefully everyone's not freezing. It's not cold, it's just pretty good wind, and now with rain, probably upper 60s, low 70s. But I think they're calling for 30, 40 mile an hour winds today between now and this evening.